Okay, here we are, Sunday the 2nd of December, it's just past 1 p.m. and here's your artificial skies. We've got no chance of sunlight as the weather terrorism continues, as they block the warm air, the warm southerly air currents, which they don't want, because they've got to say my ball, my globe, my tilt. You see? And yeah, so that's your sprayed on overcast skies. It's all artificially induced, artificial high pressure system, which they use to block out the warm southerly air. How many times can I repeat this? I have to repeat it in case sheep will find my channel, and they need to be repeated to over and over, need it drummed in. Okay, so yeah, so no chance of sunlight again, and that's the trend. No sunlight until freezing cold air is moved in when they use their weather weapon, which they tried to use, but fortunately it caused an earthquake and they had to stop. Okay, so that's it. That's the weather report. And there you go. Evil scum up to no good. Liars and murderers, that's what they are. Utter scum. Okay, so here we are, 2nd of December. It's 9 p.m. now. Let's see what it was earlier at noon, for example. It looks about the same. So as you know, it's all chemtrailed all over chemtrails all over, even Algeria, Morocco, and whatever that place is, and Libya. Yeah. It's just chemtrails everywhere, blocking the warm air coming from the sea here, Atlantic, Southern Atlantic, right? So they're stopping that, and look what's coming. Yeah, frozen air. Okay, this is absolute devilry. You know, these people behind all this lying and murdering us. You know, because it's not just some jet fuel, fiberglass, aluminium particulate mix, and then there's fly ash that they dump. They even dump sand in the sky. Yeah, okay? All amongst that, there's biologicals as well. These people are satanic, evil scum. So not only do they block out the sun and block out warm air coming from the south, and use their frequencies to make plasma snakes and atmospheric heaters to push down their ice nuclearization zone, frozen air, to push it down upon us. They mix in biological agents in there as well to make you sick. And people don't want to know. And I'll just say again, I've got to say it. I do not consent to evil scum who have come here from the depths of hell to presume to rule over us, like they are kings, queens, and experts and high priests, and I don't consent to anything that they do. I don't consent them to even being here, breathing the same air as the rest of us. You know, that's people who are awake, and the stupid sheeple who just don't want to know anything, who gobble up or swallow all the lies. They eat out of the hands of these scum who just lie constantly. Yeah, and I wish the sheeple good fortune too. I mean, yeah, they're stupid and they'll laugh at me, but it's not their fault. They're being brainwashed. Okay, so yeah, I hope our Heavenly Father can help us, because this is really coming up to fever pitch now, isn't it? This is madness. I mean, at least send the host of heaven and angels or something to send these evil scum back to the deep where they came from, because they certainly don't belong here, torturing us, mentally torturing us for the most part. And then, of course, they murder us as well, and whatever means they can trick people into and lie to us constantly, and use the weaponry on us constantly, and to lie and say it's a ball. Okay, so I expect it to be blanketed overnight until they've stopped this nice warm air coming up from the south. When they've stopped that, and they've either it'll probably be freezing north, chemically ice nucleated air from the north, and from the east. So we'll have both. How about that? We'll have both. Okay, and then they'll allow you to have a bit of sun. because the sun won't matter then when it's negative, will it? And the days are too short now, okay? And then they'll go, my winter, my ball, my globe, my gorillions of millions, gorillions of miles away sun, and my ball planets and all, you know, okay, that's it, I'm fed up now. I see it, this is ridiculous. Yeah, bye.